If you're tired of buying ink cartridges that somehow seem to disappear faster than the money in your wallet, this little Epson might be worth a closer look. Today, we're unboxing and testing the Epson EcoTank L3250 to see what you actually get, how easy it is to set up, how it performs, and whether this could really be one of the best budget home printers. Let's open the box. Inside, you get the Epson L3250 printer, 4 ink bottles, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, plus the power cable, USB cable, and the user documentation. And here's the printer itself. For an all-in-one printer, it's surprisingly compact. You've got printing, scanning, and copying in one machine, so it can easily fit on a small desk at home or in a student workspace. But the main reason people look at the EcoTank series is right here. Instead of using traditional cartridges, the L3250 has refillable ink tanks. The supplied 003 series ink bottles are designed for high page yields, with Epson rating them for up to around 4,500 black and white pages and 7,500 color pages, depending on how you use the printer. Filling the tanks is pretty simple. Open the ink compartment, match each bottle with its corresponding color, and let the ink flow into the tank. And seriously, check the color before you start. You really don't want to put the wrong ink into the wrong tank. Once the tanks are filled, the printer needs an initial ink charging process. This takes several minutes, so don't worry if the printer sounds busy during this stage. After that, I ran a nozzle check and print head cleaning to make sure everything was ready. And now, let's actually use it. The L3250 supports Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, which means you can print without keeping a USB cable connected to your computer. I used the Epson Smart Panel app to connect the printer to Wi-Fi, selected a document on my phone, and sent it straight to the printer. And it worked exactly as you'd hope. I also tested wireless printing from a laptop, and the printer responded without needing a wired connection. The scanner is another useful part of this machine. It uses a flatbed scanner with optical resolution up to 1,200 by 2,400 dpi, and it can handle documents up to A4 size. For everyday documents, schoolwork, receipts, and basic scanning, the results are sharp and detailed. Printing quality is also quite good for this price range. Text comes out clean, while color prints look perfectly suitable for everyday home use. But there is one thing you need to keep in mind. This isn't a printer built for speed. Epson rates it at around 10 images per minute for black and white and 5 images per minute for color under ISO testing. So if you're running a busy office and constantly printing huge stacks of documents, you may want something faster. But for a home user, student, or small office, that's a different story. You get a printer, scanner, and copier, plus wireless printing and a refillable ink system, all in a relatively small package. And the big question is the Epson EcoTank L3250 the best budget home printer? Honestly, I wouldn't call it perfect, but if your priorities are low running costs, easy ink refills, wireless printing, and having all the basic functions in one compact machine, the L3250 is a very strong option. It isn't designed to be the fastest printer in the room. It's designed to be the printer you can keep using without constantly worrying about expensive cartridges. And for a lot of homes, that's probably more important. So if you're looking for an affordable printer for schoolwork, documents, occasional color printing, scanning, and copying, the Epson EcoTank L3250 is definitely worth considering.